Good afternoon, country people. Them we glad so don't join again for this halftime. Sabi say we hide there for Egypt, and so we hide today for Cameroon. So the talk, a man damba they happen their last damba today. Even as we no trunk to know them. Sabi say anytime where we people them for that side for Egypt they show their heads. We say we go left stage say me the talk. But Tori for this afternoon we go take una go for that side for Bumiebel. We Tori we enter we here just now. The talk say Minister for Transport, he don't start to make investigate on top this accident where he passed for Bumiebel. It says 4 people them they die for sika that accident. Now so too we go take una, we talk this Palava road, we go take una go for that side, so for Mount Bambutus or Mount Bambutus for talk say people there where they dish down for that side, particularly one them where they dish down for side where they call them say Bangang. We know they them at all. Now place where they plant plenty potatoes them. But just now for Sika Palava for roads, people them they hear bad for go carry potatoes. Inside Tori 2, we go take una. We talk Palava Cameroon Renaissance movement. Sabi say we could just finish of weekend. Now we they left so 30 of that people there they be catch them for Douala here for Sika Palava for mash. Headgear for Cameroon Renaissance movement. Tiranua. Ebide for inside Douala here for see that people there they left them. Newspaper then today for we before we get the guides and posts, the info and even the voice newspaper where we go talk all thing as we they talk this afternoon. Country people them big part talk for this afternoon. It tell we water no fit ever meet water. It jump pass where they no join. Then them to the waka. I say water. Enough we meet up different water where they come, then it jump past them. Instead, them two they join for waka like one. Now Sunday theories for that side for Gadwa. Now I send we big part talk for this afternoon. I the turn back some more time. For Sika Palava, as I don't talk, I will go surely the take una to go Egypt, as we already go. Anytime he come, we go level now. But quick, we get Tori don't prepare for now for this afternoon. Just for Sabiti they happen inside we country. Chapter 1, we go talk this chapter for accident where it pass for that side, so for Bumiebel. Sabi say according to the Tori where he enter we EM, accident he pass. Now for Monday, where this red motor, it be don't carry people there for inside. It be go your own direction before he go jam with some motor where na general as well Tori enter with EM. 4 people them they sleep straight for this accident. Also here them plenty other people themselves they dey for hospital bed. Now near them officers for that side for Bumiebel and even motor where they call them general to them to they be day hand inside this accident where he passed for we high road. Yesterday latest story to a common for this chapter for accident. Minister for Palava for road for we country Oga Ernest Masenangale Bibe he says he don't open investigate on top this Palava for accident so he carry so take 4 people them heads he go with them. Sabi say plenty other one the day where they get caught for Sika this Palava for accident way pass as soon as see now the 2 motor than that where they be make vessels for that side so for Bumiebel so near them where their own work now for local road just now. They day on top the Palava. Minister says for roads, he too, it already start for open investigate on top this new accident where don't carry people them heads. He go with them. So we stay wait for here wait to go pass for that side so for Yawinde. Inside Tori 2 for this afternoon, we go take una just now enter for Bamenda side them. Now some boy where we hear say bullets, Itoshi, Sabi say this Palava for Northwest and Southwest. We go so continue for talk. We don't enter now right for inside the quarter where it is so population says they cry. That boy where it is so according to Tori where enter with EM the boy he be the run after we see a motor for uniform people them. Whether na wetin e be last happen, whether na the uniform people them or now they do the work, they talk say the boy he run only after the one come meet up away the boy he don't die. So now for inside the boy their compound that will enter for this afternoon. Now boy will be the worker fine, he be the tonton inside that room. Now they fix it so for go bury him for that side. So for inside Bamenda, Sabi say this palaver for northwest and southwest all time. Now only some kind of innocent people then just now where they die on top this chapter. This one as so here population for that quarter talk say the boy he be the worker. Then motor for near them or uniform people they be the come, the boy be the run. Whether not say na the uniform people they follow, they do or no na them. So now we never feel for talk on top the palaver. But now another new case is for palaver boy wey just die. Some kind die for sake this palaver so for northwest and southwest. Now inside the compound that says day for day we they make prepare for bury the boy. Some kind of way so for sake this palaver for northwest and southwest where it don't so continue for carry people them head go outside or go inside 6 feet. By force, as we with this year. Tomorrow for morning time, we go left interview for one of the people them where he see and he tell we wait way he really pass for that boy where he die. We go take una go just now for west region. Now we road that. Una this year. Now road that way he dey carry people them head go. People them for year whether na Okada, whether na moto for waka pass for the road na logmop. And this road, it then for west for Mount Bambutus. Sideway with the talk so for Bangang, na place where Irish potato, it dey come up for this so time no day. But when you see Okada say the tide inside Poto, Sabi say the roads na for forget them. Yes, the road na for forget them. And we hear say this road, it then for under Bangam. Now it means say na them say they get for look at the road. But that's what we talk just now. Now population the suffer. I say when you see Okada tied for some side. Sabi say that road it don't rotten. Even they take and go for God. Say may they deliver them. The road no go everywhere. You understand? So now the road this way they put they suffer them. And for this place as why they talk. Irish potato for day. Now lock mop. It did they sote time no day. See as well even the moto. It is suffer for only for pass for Sika Palava for World Roads. And na side where they go carry oh boy, look out. You see am? Now only you where you sabi the roads if you pass for day. If you no sabi the roads, forget. I say if you no sabi the see when I see tire for motor no, the tire for motor the dance na small makosa. It dance makosa. And the boy them, they don't sabi the road fine. As why they talk. If they no for don't learn the roads. If they no learn the road, if they no sabi the roads, forget. They no go ever fit for do anything for this road. And na side where they dig chop I say na place where chop in the commode. All that back there they see and so. Na Irish potato where don't go carry am. But for if for carry that Irish potato come out for outside, people they suffer. People they hear but see road. Na road that way people they pass and chop in the common for day. I say chop for day na lock more. And we hear say this road ngomna the so only come when place it don't dry it can't level the ground when rain don't come motor they start pass poto all thing it do am Okada say I say when Okada e no fit for pass us on side just forget it means say the roads na different level all man in the beg they the beg say men gomna where they ever come for come greater the road open road make the camp put na quota. Say if they put quota, it go help the population plenty. For Sika say plenty chop. It there for that side. And when you see the kind of poto they so, then they carry Irish potato can't tell you say one bag na 10,000. You go deny for buy am. See as well motor they suffer. Motor they suffer fine before he carry water. No be na palava say na roadway they just now. If you want sabi go for that side for Mount Bambutos west. Na side where you get boundary with is west. You understand? These roads no be na road for go there. You go there, say you go turn back. You tell me say, "Chai, ambassador, till where you talk so na true na road that for Cameroon, 21st century, and we sabi say we get prayer say 2025 or 2035 we must to go for before. We there for 2019. Road them we no so get. Water we no get. Who side we dey go? Who side will they go? Now they suffer that. Now road that for roads where they go take chop, and the chop e dey plenty. God, he don't bless Cameroon. He don't bless Cameroon. He don't bless Cameroon. But this palaver for roads, na he go last Kiwi. Yes, palaver for roads, na he go last Kiwi. Make we hear wetin wey drive assessor for that red motor. He talk for we man Raphael Cheko for that side for West.
Well, we dey manage my brother. Yeah. So we don dey manage and so for more than 20 years we are don dey drive this thing. So na so our own condition for country dey. So we dey manage and we so. So we don dey manage and so. For government me try help we so that we fit get two good road for manage, because the manage one he lost so 3 years, he don't finish. We dey try for buy different one. On which you suppose buy motor, so at least you use them for more than 18 to 20 years. But with the buy and so 3 years, you don't finish, you buy different one. When a condition for road, you don't know they fine. If they so I load the car costing yesterday, another cover 1 kilometer.
Yes, not just the condition that for that roads, motorway they use them for 18 years. Now they use the motor when they buy them now only for 3 years. For tell we say now lock mop. Make we hear with some Okada man say they run that road. He talk for with Paddy man, Raphael Cheko.
We always get the only problem we get over rain, then we cause you for spoil. So the government will try to say we cut down. Because the only time every year you only destroy. Every year they destroy. So you need to the only solution we want to cement. Yeah, so the time when we back the way we buy it by next make 6 months, we destroy all. You know. So it's a new government now to try to see if they will fix the road, plenty. Most all the farmers on this side today over suffer. How is it over cheap because he would not be they overcharge high price because they transport. You see the kind of road so say if you get motor, the private car if you pass here, you know you pass here. So now they are pick up the way. I'm trying to get that motor there. They will pass me. The only problem we get out of the road. Okay. And they only ask me, I say, I beg, even send as now so driving the camera and take early. So that next one come in, they see don't even tire and say, because the only take so live you go see spoiler. So every year they take every year they destroy. You want to take a year no? February or January, they don't spoil. Don't spoil. So the only thing I say, even try with tire and they go even you help me play.
Yes, now Okada man that for inside that road, so he says they try for talk for we as they suffer. Only for Sika Waka for that road. We go enter Palava for politics just now. Sabise head girl for Cameroon Renaissance Movement, Tiren Noam. Now it be that way it be enter for Douala here. First place where he stop now for meet up with one of the people them. Where Cameroon Renaissance Movement they get combi with them. Where they call them Modegna. So now one civil society SSF. Where then say that they talk with the Cameroon Renaissance Movement. So for inside that place, Ma Tiren Noam where they so or Tiren Noam. When a head girl for Cameroon Renaissance Movement, he talk with the big man for Modena, Palava also they go so plan for other small kind waka the way they get for Duam. But Sabise Modena, he been one of the strongest combi for Cameroon Renaissance Movement. So he make time with Tirenwa enter for Douala. Inopifi for come for Douala, we meet with big people them for Modena. We now one of the people that we they plenty with them for chapter for Kombi. As so we talk for now, after we come up for that side, one time, he go meet up now the 30 people them, now them that, Cameroon Renaissance Movement people that way they so they be left them, now them, they be in there inside among the people them, where they be catch them for Sika this palava for peaceful waka, where they make them for inside Douala here. So this week, we'll just start 30 of member them for Cameroon Renaissance Movement, they left them, after where they don't shit down for inside Gata for some half time. As well they so or then they be the stay wait now for the big gondere nice except that till then we it come for can glad with them small and for talk say it they so they so they with them even as well they be go from Gata Manadin make we put some more volume for up there as so we see where to pass after. Yes, na so the thing be happen as we Tirenua big Ngondere for a Cameroon Renaissance movement. You can see the 30 of the member the way they be left them for Douala side here just now. Sabi say Monday way be pass. Yesterday be then a day where they be give Musanga for some uniform people them where they don't do their work fine. Someone the day where they be put them their rank from one level to another. Governor Sesep Ogadio Dene Iva Dibois Ibidede and other big people them for inside uniform work. Now then Sesep they take time for Pun Musanga for the people the way they so Nkunkuma he give them courage and one the way they be doing for be sangalong where they get them first Musanga all them it be happen sabi sengando it happen seseb now for inside the uniform kind style no be na palava say they so they can talk plenty all big people them family people them say they be there for glad with them people the way they so ngomna or Nkunkuma way iseseb it then na the head boy for all uniform people them it don't give them sumo Musanga arrangement it be passed now for inside Douala here. Yesterday, I saw a talk and Governor Samuel Dodeneva Dibois Bidede after the Ngando march, left, right. Now so the thing happen here, come the people them. Now so the thing it passed yesterday for inside Douala here. Tori don't finish, but just for Sabi say Mandamba, they get Ndamba this afternoon. Now 5 o'clock, where they go meet up with Benin. Sabi say Mandamba and Benin, they meet up now the number 2 time. The first time they be meet up, Mandamba be nag Benin for 2001. So this time again, they go meet up again for try for check sense. Whether na Mandamba go so remain on top or na how. Now for 5 o'clock, we go talk for now for that palavas, but Sabi say Ndamba dey for 5 o'clock and Mandamba, he go meet up with Benin. Just now, make we talk chapter for newspaper them where they did for we before. Inside the guidance post where they for outside this time. They did talk for we as we new campaign setup it don't start for say make United Nations Security Council. He put this chapter for Northwest and Southwest on top program where they get for discuss for that side. Now so to Human Rights Watch, it did try for force other African country them for see as we they so they go talk on top this palaver. Inside the guidance post where they outside they talk for we today. As we 7 people that don't sleep straight for Sika Palava for accidents where it happened for Yawende and Douala Road. Honorable Joseph Wibasesep, he don't talk chapter for Northwest and Southwest. He don't vex plenty with Ambazonia head boy them for outside country for Sika Palava a lie where they talk plus say they fight only them Dikanatin. Honorable Wiba Joseph, he vex plenty on top the Palava. Now so too inside the same arrangement they tell we former UNDP youth head boy where he go for by force pension. He don't talk back for he party people them after with the talks on Kanatin them where he spoil his face. Other to read them, if you for read them inside the guidance post where he day outside this afternoon. Make we look the Voice newspaper too where he day outside country people them. Inside the Voice newspaper they tell we Palava for Northwest and Southwest according to the Voice na Ambazonia crisis. They talk for we how Swiss Ngomna Sese plus international people them they don't talk ton sote now so na Geneva we talk it happen. Sabi say inside in Dongamen Pesiwe it dey like Sisiku Ayoktabi e eye for them. He Sese he don't talk on top this Palava. Now so to the tell we Palava 7 US congressman and woman congressman and woman where they wait them for inside Cameroon just now for Sika this Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Chapter for catching and living for Pani John, if you read that too, inside the Voice newspaper where they outside, plus even Palava for this NUDP party head boy, former head boy for youth side, where he don't talk back on top of party, where they talks on kind of what team, on top of it. If you read plenty other to read them inside the Voice newspaper where it they outside this afternoon. Make we enter for the Info newspaper to country people them. The Info na another newspaper say we will see for we before this afternoon country people them. Inside the Info newspaper, they tell we say waiting. Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Inside the chapter, they tell for tell we say international people them say na them the chop fat, na they the chop plenty inside the Palava. Na question say we the Info newspaper the ask make we see another thing where they for that side for the Info newspaper. They talk this Palava catching where it is so they catch ni John Frundi sote the levy all that tori them, you would hear them. Wait till they talk for Pani John Frundi. The info says away they outside. He talk on top that palaver all. Sabi say just now, United Nations, European Union, and even Donald Trump country just now, they don't support this palaver way they so Switzerland in one look up for talk on top the palaver, and the talk say they trade their support for say make separatist people them and governor they try for Shidon for solve this palaver way they happen for Northwest and Southwest. Other tori them, you feel for read them inside the info newspaper where 1,000 people them they the follower. Now so we see country for this afternoon as we talk. Sabi say we get we eye, we ear, we mop for that side for Egypt. They go come for tell we as we glad a day as we people they prepare before the Mandamba way go start. For 5 o'clock, I don't talk again. Mandamba team for we country, go Mandamba with Benin. Now for them we finish story for this afternoon with the Salu people then for that side. So for Jules Peters. Now for Bukwango, for Boya side, we then say they don't start their own small holiday classes for make picking them for them book. Country people them, I want to say thank you for Innocent Abega. I want to say thank you too for Varios, Malis, and Nadine. Where they join hand for say make story happen fine. We go jam for some time. On a whole tight.